Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the exact cells you want to change. Use Ctrl+A to target the whole sheet if needed. Once selected, head to the Home tab and locate the Wrap Text control so you can toggle it quickly. If you prefer precise settings, press Ctrl+1 to open Format Cells, then switch to the Alignment tab. Make sure to act on the correct sheet and selection because the change applies only to what you pick, not the entire workbook unless selected. Once in alignment, clear the Wrap Text checkbox and click OK. This prevents Excel from splitting lines inside cells. After disabling, column width and row height may still cut off content, so use AutoFit or drag edges to reveal data. If you use Merge and Center, be aware merged cells can behave differently. Avoid merging if you need predictable layout. Also confirm text orientation and indent values. They influence how text fits, so tweak them. To finish, review the sheet and ensure no cells still show wrapping. Toggle Wrap Text back on individually only for cells that require multiple lines. If some cells still wrap, clear formatting with Home, right arrow, clear formats to remove conflicting styles, then reapply alignment. If text seems wrapped because of hidden line breaks, use formulas like clean or substitute to remove char. 10. Finally, save a copy before wide changes so you can revert if layout shifts unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.